Hello, in this video we're gonna check if DOOGEE V Max does have the stereo speakers. And to do this we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, and there's 4 of them as far as I saw. So there's one right here, another one right here, next right here, and the last one right there. Now to determine if that's a stereo speaker, we'll need to play some music. Cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, or actually from all of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. Okay, so sound is coming from both of the speakers. Let's stop the music right here. Sound is coming from this speaker and this speaker, but there's no sound coming out from this speaker and this one. This might be faulty phone, but I would confirm that this device does have a stereo speakers, as the sound was coming from 2 of them anyway. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.